Time now for Eyewitness News. Call 12 for action. Tens of thousands of portable oil heaters are now being recalled.
And a lighting company is recalling holiday lights after concerns over fire hazards. Eyewitness News consumer reporter Susan Hogan joins us now with the details.
Each week we bring you a list of all of the products that have been recalled. We found this week thousands of recalled products because of injuries that could be sustained.
34,000 Sunbeam oil-filled heaters are being recalled. The heaters can spray oil, posing a scald hazard. The recall involves HOLMES brand oil-filled heaters that are black or white. The firm has received 40 reports of units that unexpectedly sprayed heating oil, resulting in reports of property damage involving damaged carpets and fabrics. Consumers should stop using the recalled heater, unplug it, and contact Sunbeam for instructions on how to obtain a full refund. VOSGES Hot Chocolate is recalling Festival of Lights gift box sets due to a fire hazard. The plastic menorah can catch fire if the candles are allowed to burn the base of the menorah. The company has already received 3 reports of the menorahs catching fire. Consumers should stop using the candles and contact the company for a full refund. MIRKA extends a recall of compact electric random orbital sanders due to a fire hazard. The sander can short circuit, posing a fire hazard. The recall involves 5- and 6-inch MIRKA Ceros sanders. The company has received 5 reports of electrical shorting incidents causing sparks. Customers should stop using the sanders and contact the company for a free replacement.
Now we have a lot more information for you right now on WPRI.com, including product information, model numbers, and how you can contact those companies. And if you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1, hotline 228-1850. I'm Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.